PPP extension. My name is QUiNTiN Banks. If you are new to the channel, of course you guys gotta like and subscribe. That is the easiest way for you guys to be entered in the giveaway. I will try my best to get everybody and to respond to everybody in the comment section. If you guys don't know, I got a lot of financial institutions who actually watch my content, whether it's Chime, Benworth, WOMPLY, Capital Plus, you know, anything that associates with PPP, they tend to watch my content. So that's why I said it's best for you guys to actually drop the comments below. Let me know in the comment section where you guys stand, and I will try my best. Now, before we begin, I do want to let you guys know as well, I have a PPP extension. Let me go ahead and try to put this up there for you guys. But I actually got a PPP extended playlist on my channel. It is very, very simple to actually see it. You know, you can just go over to my channel and you see a playlist that says PPP Extended. I tried my best to make it as visible as possible, because a lot of people was questioning and asking about that as well, and it's asking, yo, QUiNTiN, what's going on? Is it available? Is it there? So once again, I try my best to actually put that up to the forefront for you guys, and of course I try to make it easy. Now, if you're new to the channel, of course, make sure you guys like and subscribe. So let's get right into this. This is going to be the PPP extension, which I know tons of people was questioning it. Tons of people were asking me about it. And yeah, man, so I'm going to try my best. And I actually got a lot of comments from members of my channel. And like I said, I read these comments. I try to give you guys the best advice. I try to help other people as well who have been through similar situations. Now, let's get right into this. Somebody began to say, on second draw, has anyone gone from PPP has ended to any other update? I've been hearing since it got extended, we have a chance. Now, if you guys don't know, the PPP did get extended for an extra, it was extended for an extra 30 days. And that was to make sure that everybody was actually funded. Now, those 30 days were for people who were actually in their the lender funded stage, meaning, let's say if you apply with the WOMPLY and you were still waiting for your funds to get processed, it actually showed and stated that there was still more room. Basically, it gave them more time to fund you, basically, when it comes down to it. It gave the IRS, your lender, put out that letter, which I talked about on my page as well, but it gave them more reasons to, number one, hopefully fund you guys, but an extension to do that. Now let's talk about these this extension, and let's talk about these comments. Somebody began to say it's not extended. The PPP lender funding is what was extended to July 31st, 2001, not the PPP, which is exactly correct. And hopefully I you know, we discussed that, or hopefully I made that clear. You know, that gave them 30 more days to, number one, extend it, but number two, to fund people that needed to be funded. Now, that helps everybody out. Somebody began to say, I saw that also. I hope I haven't signed any papers on second. I haven't signed anything either. It's going on PPP has ended. Hopefully your update soon. Somebody began to say, I hope. Somebody said, check your docs tab in WOMPLY and see if you signed one PN note for both draws. Looks like some banks did separate PNs for each draw, but Capital Plus did one PN for both. You can see the PN with one date attached to both my OAs. Now, guys, like I said, if that is the case, feel free to check that out, because 9 times out of 10, you know, it's really on your lender. I do want to let that be known as well. It is really on your lender. Your lender has that ability to either fund you or keep you in that stage of the ending phase. Now, somebody said that's what mine probably mean. I got 2 PN, but they are the same one. So like I said, that could be totally it, and that could be really what happened. Fountainhead did 2, but they both say the same thing and the same number. I signed for my second draw, it was combined. Does that mean I will be getting the second draw? Good question. Now, a lot of people was wondering that as well. And like I said, try to contact your lender. If your lender is WOMPLY, Blueacorn, depending on your lender, try to contact them, guys. That's the best thing to do. Facebook, Twitter, anything that you guys may need to do, try to contact them. Somebody said, how can we know if we signed one PN for both draws? That's the best I can do. I can't figure out if I have two separate PNs or a duplicate and original. But in my doc section of WOMPLY status, there are two docs saved as OA PN1 and OA PN2 with identical dates, 5/12 on both, 6/11 on both, hanging in there. So I want to continue to spread this positivity and give you guys a lot of hope as you guys continue to update me as well, and understand that a lot of people are getting funded, guys. So you may wake up with funds, or you may go to sleep with funds, and then you just never know. So hopefully all I can do is put hope out there for you guys, and hopefully you guys will be funded, because a lot of people was questioning that. Somebody said, and what's the difference between the two supposed to be? PPP LF is extra time for processing, not for submitting new apps. And that's one thing people are going to actually have to understand. That's not for new applications. That's not meaning the extension is for JoJo to go apply for a PPP loan. It's for people who was already in the system. You got a loan number or some type of number stating that you were in the system. Now I totally understand it can go both ways, but as far as right now, that PPP has ended for new applicants. Somebody said, what does that mean? Blah, blah, blah. It means you can't submit a new PPP app during the extension because the banks need more time to process the ones in the pipeline, including those with hold codes, like that person. So that's a good explanation. Like I said, it's not for new applicants. It's for people who are in the system. And hopefully if you're in the system and you got certain type of numbers, you should be okay. You should receive those funds. But like I said, it is all different. Somebody began to say, my status was in processing first, then went to PPP ended for my second draw. So does that mean I might get a chance? If it says PPP ended, I don't think so. Try for an EIDL loan. So that's what a lot of people have been trying. And guys, it really just all depends. It really just all depends. Somebody said, I've heard talks of people still getting it while in this status, so we'll see. Just like I said, it really just all depends. Somebody said, I don't know who you are, but you sure have one of the kindest hearts. Thank you for your info and help. People like you always be blessed because you help and bless others. So I just continue to spread, we can spread some positivity and some hope to you guys. Of course, I will try my best to help you guys and put you guys in the right direction. If you guys got questions, feel free to drop those questions and concerns below. As I always say, stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true, stay you. One. So like I said, that could be totally it. And that could be really what happened. Fountainhead did too, but they both say the same thing and the same number. I signed for my second draw. It was combined. Does that mean I will be getting the second draw? Good question. Now, a lot of people was wondering that as well. And like I said, try to contact your lender. If your lender is WOMPLY, Blue Acorn, depending on your lender, try to contact them, guys. That's the best thing to do. Facebook, Twitter, anything that you guys may need to do, try to contact them. Somebody said, how can we know if we signed one PN for both draws? That's the best I can do. I can't figure out if I have two separate PNs or a duplicate and original. But in my doc section of WOMPLY status, there are two docs saved as OA PN1 and OA PN2 with identical dates.